How to upload music to Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to upload music to Spotify. So first of all, just simply open the Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply install the Spotify application in your mobile device. And once it is downloaded, just simply open the Spotify, and once you're there in your account, just simply log in with your credentials and click on the profile section from the top left hand side corner of the screen. And over here just simply go to the settings and privacy, and now when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the option called local files. Just simply tap on it and just simply enable the local files options that will appear in your files from your device. So just simply tap on it and toggle the bar, and now you can add tracks from this device into your library. So just simply come back to your home screen, and now just simply click on your library section from the bottom of the screen, and over here you will be able to see bunch of different options. Just simply click on this plus icon from the top right corner of the screen, and you have different options like playlist and blends. Just simply click on playlist, and now just simply create the playlist that you would want to create in your Spotify account, and just go to your profile settings in the mobile device, and from there just go to your file manager and select the kind of music that you would want to add to your Spotify account. So for example, I want to add this particular song right here. Just simply click on that particular song, and you will be able to see this pop-up menu. Click on more, and you will be able to see the Spotify option right there. Just simply click on it, and your song will be added to your Spotify account. So this is basically how you will be able to upload music to Spotify. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.